What's up guys, today I'll be showing you how to install bar end mirrors onto the Yamaha R3. These will fit onto a 2015 through a 2018 R3 and the R25. If you like this kind of content guys, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see anything else, but let's get into it right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so here are the aftermarket bar end mirrors. I'll show you a close-up how they come in a package, then I'll install it into the bike. Alright guys, here are the aftermarket bar end mirrors. That's the brand. So this looks like bubble wrap with a foam surrounding protecting the aftermarket mirrors, and they come individually wrapped to protect the glass there. And it has a Allen key to help you install this. If you guys are interested of getting these exact ones, there'll be a link down below for Amazon and eBay. So alright guys, let's install these onto the bike. One thing to note guys, so I have aftermarket bar end sliders. Initially, if you are working with the stock bar end caps here, you're gonna have a little bit harder time to taking it off because it's gonna be pretty tight on there. So you're gonna have to kind of get some pliers, so you're gonna have to wrap it around the cap and unbolt it with the Allen key. So but for me, because I already have these on, it's gonna be easier for me to take it off. But if you're having a hard time, it's because the stock is pretty much bolted on pretty good. So alright guys, let's get to installing. So I'm gonna remove those, then install the pieces. So this is not gonna take too long, probably like 10-15 minutes. But alright guys. Okay, so I got multiple angles guys, so you can see the top end and from the side angle. So I'm gonna use my own tools here. This is gonna be a 5mm on here. So like I said, for me it's already gonna be easy to take it off. So there we go. Like I said, you have to hold the ring around and kind of take it off. So let's get this off. And there we go. That's pretty good, not too bad. And that's it guys. Let's head off to the other side and install or take off the other part. And all right, here's the other one. Let's get into it. Same thing, 5mm. And there we go. Quick, easy. That's it. All right guys, one thing to note, the pieces, it comes with step up rings or adjustment rings. So if your bar end right here is smaller, go with a smaller one. If it's thicker, go with a thicker one. But for right now, I'll see how mine is, but I might need to take off a piece inside here. So alright guys, it looks like I could use the old screw from my aftermarket bar end slider. So it's shorter, so it should be able to go on pretty quick. And there we go guys, pretty easy. So Allen key, tighten up the top one, loosen up the back so you can be able to move this, tighten up this one, then with the other one you should be able to have enough pressure to hold this piece. Then you're just gonna twist, and there we go. Should be able to move it up and down. Then you can have this side to side, and there we go, guys. Left side is done. Let's tighten up the back, and there we go. You can adjust it. Alright guys, just to show you from the old one, I'm going to use a screw because I already have a piece in there, you can see. If I try to take that off, it's going to be way harder, so having this screw rather than this one is too long. You should be able to go in and get in contact with the back piece, and I can tighten it up. So I'll show you right now. So I'm going to remove this piece. So yeah, there we go guys, remove that piece. I'm not going to use any of this, but if you have an empty space in your handle here, you're going to be able to use these pieces to tighten it up. But for me, I'm going to use, like I said, the other screw. So it's way shorter, and it looks like this other screw is better material than this one, so I'll show you. So to do this, pretty much you have your mirror, the piece will slide right in, the screw right in there. Now you can screw it in perfectly. So okay, now you can just turn as much as you can. This piece is going to be rotating around, so while that happens, just kind of loosen up the back. I did the same thing the other side, so loosen it up so it can be out of the way. Now we can tighten this up. So why I'm gonna tighten this up, so I can tighten this so it can be pressure around this ring, so I can put more torque on this bolt so it can be secured. So let me tighten that down. Okay, that should be good. Now I can use some leverage with this one. Now I can just hold this piece and torque it down, so the center piece is not moving and it's still going in tight. So I noticed one thing, guys, because this piece is hitting the handle, so every time I'm gonna twist, this is gonna twist, so you might need to remove the center piece and install these pieces in there. So it's up to you guys. For me, I think it'll be a-okay. It's up to you, but for me, I might just gonna leave it like this. So alright guys, so here we go. That's how it looks like right now. Onto the bar end. That's the right side. That's the left side. So it looks pretty good. Not too bad. So the bike, it's set for the mirrors. So guys, alright guys, so you saw how to install it. If you are interested of anything else, if you want to see the centerpiece being removed and install those shims in there, let me know in the comments, guys. But for right now, that works out for me, fast and easy. But it's really hot today. You can see I'm really it's pretty much sweating right now. So, but yeah guys, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see anything else. But all right guys, I'll catch you next time in the video. Peace.